Yo, shout out fam, we up and alive, baby. What we doing today?
We're gonna pay the cars.
We're gonna pick up a car. Yeah, well, 3 in a sense, cause we gotta help my homie move his Toyota. He has a Toyota pickup. He's gonna make a drift car, I guess. Shit like that. So we're picking up a Subaru. $200. $200.
2006 5-speed manual.
Yup. A typical Subaru.
Typical Subaru, bro.
The bearing, the bearing took a shit or something.
Engine leaking.
Yep. So I mean, we can pass on it. You know, we're mechanics. Go to the junkyard, find one crash with blood on it, and swap it. You know what I mean?
$200.
And then we're picking up your boys 300ZX.
300ZX.
Parts car. So if y'all need parts, hit us up.
Don't hit us up. I'm a hoarder.
Yeah, 300ZX, baby.
Make it work.
But yeah, we're gonna pick up Nolan right now. This is recruitment. We're doing recruitment. It's a gang we joined. Oh no!
Look, it's not going. It's not catching.
Told you.
Yes, it just slid.
That's what happened.
Oh shit! It just slid.
Bro, that's the tippy on me.
It just slid, bro. It didn't catch.
No?
No, bro. The tires are just skirting away.
Bro, they're pretty. Yeah, bro. Damn.
Oh shit!
Somebody got her place.
Damn, bro. Did you see that? I almost hit the curve.
That's what happened to me. You're like, oh, look at Luis. What's control?
Damn, bro. That almost. I got scared, bro. My heart's pumping right now.
I told you.
Like, I'm about to have a whole ass seizure.
I told you. With your biscuit head ass. That was gonna happen. I'm grabbing the plate numbers. I'm calling the cops. Temporary hours.
I'm gonna figure this. This is not for this though. I mean, the ATM always in use. I got scared, bro.
Work, bitch. Work, bitch. Oh God. We've been listening to this song for like 5 days. Yeah. KC Interlude's coming out.
Oh shit. I need your cash.
Huh?
You get $2 on it?
Yeah.
I can Venmo you 10? Because they won't let me plot 50.
That's fine.
Look at your boy, bro. Look at that.
How much you got in there? Let me see. Let me see.
Don't let the
Let me show that.
Don't do me like, sad ass $50.
No!
Damn! Car ain't paid.
No.
Kids are hungry.
Yo, support the hustle.
Kids are hungry, but hey, at least I'm picking up a 300ZX.
We're gonna make a GoFundUs already. We're gonna be that YouTube channel. Just saying. Yo, how come that children's seat don't got a phone, bro?
Huh?
What's the rest of
This is
it?
their spare one. She has 3.
Oh.
This is the one that we can take in the out of the car. The other one's in my Taurus and one's in my girlfriend's car. I won't let it check me. I'll never let it disrespect me.
I hate it. I hate it here.
That bitch fucking soon as she met me.
Yo, let's sign me with that
I don't
dirty
fuck with
money.
her because she nasty. Did I give you the 100 already?
No.
Damn swiper. Messed it up.
It's a real bill.
What you put?
Copy that cash, son. YouTube slap y'all. No, you didn't. There it is. Anyways.
I can't fit no guns in this Lambo truck.
Anyways, back to our hustle. Oh, it's 5 minutes, guys. I gotta cut it. Correct. Our producer gets mad. He's sponsoring us.
I miss you, actually. I've never died. How far does the wheel
It's clean, huh?
Can I turn the wheel? That shit don't turn me shit.
Damn, nigga, what you doing? Damn. Yo, that's clean, bro. What do you want Nissan? You got fucking Mazda brakes.
I'm getting big ass, I need yeah, bro, you have dual piston.
Yeah.
Dual piston.
Those are lit. Just repaint them. What's up, Hayes? Hey, Hayes, you smell Chicky's pussy, huh? That's it. That's what you like it. Sniff it. Jack off to it. Virgin pussy. Okay. Okay. I see. Slow boys right here. 166. Fuck.
Yeah, bro, I miss you every fucking day.
Damn.
I did all this.
Where's the ruckus at?
Huh?
The ruckus.
How come it's here? Doing the Bondo job. I didn't do that.
It's like my
Pull it off.
S12.
Oh shit! Let's see how far these bitches turn. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Keep going. That's it.
Yeah, that's full off right there.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's lit.
That's definitely. How much was your angle kit, bro?
Huh?
How much was it? For what?
400?
Yeah, it
That's
be
cheap.
nice.
I wish I had a job.
Yo, where's Winston?
That angle. Yeah. Yo, what's underneath, bro? Let me see.
That's all you
Yo, the owner better not catch me on the highway, bro.
Wait a minute, what's this?
What's up?
Oh, that's the trampoline for sale? I'm literally looking for one, bro.
Get started,
Bro, you
bro.
know anybody with trampoline, bro? Get on there, bro. We'll push you. Yeah, I got you. Ready, go.
Hell yeah, bro. Two step. Yo, it's Harry Potter and the Ruckus.
Harry.
Harry,
Alright.
come on, Harry.
Alright. One more time on the thing, bro.
I was thinking the same thing. Harry Potter. Damn, we're using this trailer for everything today. Yep. Huh?
It's gonna stay on there.
Don't worry about what I have to do. Worry about what you have to do.
I gotta go shower.
Nice. How's it gonna stay up?
Nigga, don't worry about what I have to do. Worry about what you gotta do.
Bro, it's gonna fall off.
Yo, wait, baby.
Alex gonna be like,
Bro, all
you
you
fucking
gotta do-
retard, huh? Just lay it down.
Huh? Yep.
Just lay it down.
No, just lay it down.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we circled down. We're almost at the 5-minute mark. Rex said record for 5 minutes only in sections.
Oh, he gets pissed off.
Yeah,
about that, huh?
the director. He'd be a bad porn star director for sure.
Only 5 minutes of Pound Town.
That's it.
A bird really fucking shit all over this thing.
Oh
huh?
shit, yeah.
Jeez,
No, bro, that's a bum.
Was it a bird or was it a bum?
It's a bums on Colfax. We got this from
Oh
Colfax.
hell yeah!
You know, damn well them bums get the shits.
That's how you know this is good. This is a good trailer then.
Bro, hell yeah. Bro, that shit's gonna fall off.
I know. The way you drive, bro. That's just gonna tilt.
Yeah, bro, it's gonna tilt.
Yeah, you need something for the back.
Yo,
Just throw it back there.
yeah,
dude.
the Django. The Django, get this shit out of here.
It's perfect. How's it gonna fucking tip?
Yeah,
Going to fucking tip.
we're throwing it on the
Guys on
back.
the bag.
Yeah.
No, get to driving. Let's go.
Do a wheelie.
I'm satisfied. All this hard work for nothing.
I work hard for the money.
So hard for the How come he didn't take this to work? Push
Let me
bro.
right back, bro.
How come he didn't take it?
It ain't gay,
How come he
bro.
didn't, like, take it to work?
It's 2020.
Push me, bro.
All right, bro. One-handed, bro. I'm spinning. You jump started, bro.
That's what Alex was
Remind me not to get you guys taking my shit.
Fuck,
Yeah,
dude.
now.
Father and son bonding moment. We took their training wheels off.
I need one. I got little kids. They need one.
Repo. Where's Nick at work? Oh.
Jaden's at work too?
Yeah. Oh, we'll work together.
Oh, they buddy together, they ride together? No, homo. Just asking.
People drive separately for some reason.
They like to waste fucking gas. They hate the atmosphere, bro.
It's the Busch Light. It's in the water.
Fucking part for my
What's
tie
up?
rod's on its
Oh,
way
you
now.
put these in here. What?
I got an email today saying my part for my tie rod is on its way.
Damn, I've
That's
been waiting
cool.
for my fucking turbo. I checked and it's all I do. We don't know where it's at. That's what it said.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it said unavailable. And I'm like, okay.
Oh yeah.
But I looked on the other thing and it's all like, it's like the 26th in transit.
Did you check the tracking?
No.
Check
I
tracking.
did. I checked twice. I just said that.
Have you checked the tracking?
I just said that. I checked that. I literally just said that. It's in transit. On the 26th.
Nigga,
It
damn,
was updated.
that's crazy.
Fucking turbo! I'm ready to drive my show, bro. I miss it.
Nobody likes that thing.
Huh?
Damn.
This is our newest member of the Slow Boys.
You know the Subaru? The one that we slammed
Yeah, the
with the racist wheels?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
The KKK wheels?
Yeah. Yeah, WCI.
There are races. The guy said the nigger on there.
Just don't put them on during Black History Month. You'll be fine, bro.
Yeah,
Take them off during February, you'll be alright.
Bro, that's right. When you drive, if you look at it, there's a swastika when you drive. It's like,
Yeah.
yeah.
It forms like a KKK.
It's like imprinted. When they send the wheels, they send it with a pillowcase.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh no.
I saw a fucking beer.
Mother Russia starts playing.
You find me a K yet or no?
Look at this beer I saw at the store yesterday.
What the fuck? Oh no.
Why? Why?
Yeah.
Time for that.
I'm the first one to
Fucking
sue.
beer looks like a KKK.
Well,
It's a
sure.
real- It's a legit beer too.
I'm suing.
What the fuck?
I'm suing. Bro, we're suing.
I saw that shit. I was
Call me
laughing
Karen.
so
I'm
hard.
offended.
I was laughing so hard. I'm like,
It's that
oh,
bitch
hell.
Carol Baskin who did it, probably.
Bitch Carol Bass. Alright, fellas. We're gonna get to heading out.
You gotta go pick up Subaru.
It's good seeing the RX-7 every day.
Yeah.
This is nice. It's clean.
It's clean, bro. It's a nice
What was
build.
that energy when I had it? I didn't give a shit. As soon as Cody gets it, automatically 100 new followers.
It's Cody, bro.
It's clean as fuck.
Yeah.
Dude. Holy shit.
Yeah, nice, dude.
Yeah, bro. Good job building it.
Yeah, thanks, dude.
Should learn from that.
Yeah. You should get some tips, bro.
You like some suspension tips or something?
Yeah.
Whoa. We did it in one night. I couldn't even get the lug nuts off, so I had to cut the thing and put it on. That's fucking creativity.
I hate it here. So we almost got shot at, guys, today. So I tried to roll call a TL, and yeah, he caught up to us, and he was like, and I was like, what's up, kid? And nah, not really. I mean, we just looked at him, all retarded, and then he sped off. So don't roll call people, kids.
He pulled the grips to diddling.
Yeah. I mean, it was a good gun though. It was chrome. He took his time with that gun. He polished it.
Yeah, man, why are you hyping him up? Fuck
I mean,
that pussy.
yo, well, I mean, he had a bro. You know, it was clean. If I'm gonna get shot, I don't want to get shot by no revolver. You know, like, yeah. I want something clean, bro. At least, you know, name brand, no Walmart shit. Ain't nothing gonna hit me unless. You know?
What's up? Bro, he's roasting you, bro. You got something there? Are you talking to me? Bro, I do so much wild shit in this bitch. I be smoking anybody. They don't have to put a gun on me. I wish they would. One on the shirt.
You getting the wings.
You mean the clown with Harambe?
Yeah.
No, tell me what Harambe favorite color.
Turn right onto Broadway Street.
Today's episode, putting swastika wheels on a Subaru. There's some breaking in. You got the little
Burger?